for us is not being able to capture labor times in real time on the shop floor. We have to be able to, like, down to the minute, capture times on the floor.
And so that would mean in our situation, you go to a screen and you either scan or add labor as the work has been accomplished. Is that what you're talking about?
Yes, the current system we have captures that for you. So when you go to start a particular process, you actually use the traveler to log into that process, and then when you stop, you log out of it with that same traveler, and it automatically captures down to the second every moment that you spent working on that.
So it's part
and we
of
need
the
that
traveler,
kind of trackability for pricing.
It's part of the open and closing of the traveler capability, whereas with ours, you're going to a separate step, so to speak. Is that what I'm hearing?
Yeah, and yours, you have to look at the clock and remember how much time you spent on it. And I can't rely on people either remembering exactly what time they spent on what operations.
Well, that's easily remedied very quickly. Is what we have here is we have a button here. So on this particular toolbar, you go in, you do that process that we did before. You'd go in, you'd select that. You'd do your enter your. So they scan that in. This might be in their whatever. They enter their thing here. Okay, notice we got a start date and time. They click a button, start date and time. They go ahead, they do their work. Okay, they come back. They got an end time. They do an end time. It calculates your task duration and gets added onto the accumulated time on the work order. So that's
well, I'm glad
matter
you
of.
explained that because I misunderstood it. As that you had to enter your time manually.
Oh, I just say you can because a lot of people that we demo to, they go, oh, well, we don't have a shop floor data capture system, so that's not going to work for us. So, I mean, I took a shortcut and tried to figure out what you have on the shop floor, but it's a matter of just putting two buttons on there, and we just in real time would update these values. And then if you manually key these values in, it will calculate the cast duration for you. But if you've got enough control in your shop floor that guys know this is part of the process, it's on, it's off, then it's almost going to do it for you like that. Could even do it on their smartphone.
Sure, and that's the way we work right now. Everybody knows it's on, it's off.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for explaining that.